everyone, welcome to the Bybit Next Level keynote. At Bybit here, my name is Ben, I'm the co-founder and CEO of Bybit. At Bybit, we try to do this keynote every 6 months, where we give you the product update, what happened within the past 6 months, what are some of the cool product features we have released, what are some of the updates we did, and most importantly, what was coming up in the next 6 months. So today, we're actually going to do things a bit differently. Today is actually a live session. I'm currently live on Twitter and YouTube. So guys, anyone who's watching online, you can actually comment and interact with me. Today, I'm also not going to only be me talking. I will invite a few key product people from Bybit and to discuss a bit in the panel style. So whatever question you have, we will also throw it into the panel and have a little bit discussion. Right now, sitting next to me actually is MK, our head of brand. She's going to give you a little bit overview on today's what's going to happen and also update on the Bybit brand 3.0.
Yeah, hi everyone. Thanks, Ben. So welcome to Next Level keynote. We actually have quite a lot of exciting updates for everyone today. So in the meantime, we also have giveaways happening throughout the live stream. So stay tuned. You might actually stand a chance to win a futures trading bonus or even a 1-week VIP upgrade. So just keep an eye out for the bubbles in the chat box and in the screens. They will be actually engaging with you every other few hours in this. So now, moving on as well, do give us a shout out on socials. It will really help if you could actually follow, subscribe, and like and share our content to any of your crypto curious friends looking to get started on their crypto investing journey. I think we have lots of information and content being pushed out every week, so do give them a share. And now I think we're ready to get into the program proper. So Ben, would you like to bring us through the agenda for today?
For sure. So as you guys can see on the screen today, first of all, MK will tell you guys a bit updates on the Bybit brand and also the growth milestones. And then I'm going to go over the recap of this whole year, some of the highlight, what updates we did on a product perspective, on the service perspective. And then a lot of clients are also asking about the latest Bybit proof of reserves. We're going to go over that. And of course, during this update, I'm going to invite some people from the team to discuss with me all together. And lastly, not least, in the pipeline, what's coming up on the Bybit future outlooks and products. By the way, I forgot to do a shout out to our audience here. We actually have a little audience right in front of me live with us. So a little shout out to them as well. So MK, why don't you go over with the Bybit branding part?
Yep. So actually, if you have been keeping eyes on our socials or communications with you, you might have noticed that we have been having a little bit of a glow up. So let's take a quick look at the video to show you what we have been leveling up behind the scenes for the last quarter. Yeah, so actually, as you can see from our days since 2018, where our tagline was Next Level Trading, I think we've evolved to a much fuller Web3 ecosystem, and which is also why I think to fulfill our vision and ambition to become the crypto ark of the world, we are actually been, definitely listening, caring, and improving, really working on delivering our next level tools, products, and platforms and features to really help every crypto believer at every stage of their journey. And what do these 3 keywords that you see in the video mean, right? So on the next slide, you will hear, right, that from next level trading, what we really want to do is to focus on delivering next level reliability through our 24/7 multilingual customer service, all the way to our next level products where we are going to make as super simple, very easy to use, the widest range of Web3 products for you, all the way to giving users every next level opportunities that we can. So actually in the next hour, you'll hear a bit more of the hero products and opportunities that we'll be having. So stay tuned. Back to you, Ben.
All right, thank you very much, MK, and thank you for the kind intro on the Brand 3.0. I think what's coming up on the Bybit product, whether it's on the mobile side or the mobile website or the mobile app, you will to startly gradually see some images changes and also all overall consolidation of the Bybit brand coloring update as well. But what's most importantly is what does the Bybit mission means, Crypto Ark, right? Our goal is to become the gateway to Web3. So we believe mass adoption is going to happen, and it's going to happen from within crypto. And we want to make sure that Bybit is your gateway. It's the easy of use that Crypto Ark taking you through, navigate you through all these different things and difficult journeys and get you to what you want in the Web3. Of course, as part of the tradition for this keynotes, we of course going to do some giveaways. So actually, right now we're going to run our first giveaways. I believe is some bonus vouchers, guys. If you follow the instruction on the screen, you can find out how to join us and win some juicy prizes. Okay. So for me, my next topic is going to go over what is the Bybit overall growth milestones. If you didn't know, Bybit now has been, since inception in 2018, we are now happily trusted by 10 million users globally. On the Bybit website or our mobile app, we support 20 different languages. With these languages, we typically offer the live support, where you can actually click on the bottom right of the website and find our live support, and we'll be with you within actually a few seconds and answer any of the questions that you might have. Also over the last years, we have been building aggressively local teams because we believe a truly global company needs to be truly local. So global by localization standard is what Bybit believes in. We actually set up 19 different local teams, whether it's in Vietnam or Brazil or Argentina or South Africa, offering that dedicated support. Globally, Bybit has seen an overall 104% increase in user base compared to last year. Okay. Actually, another key highlight of 2022 is our partnership with the Oracle Red Bull Racing team. And I want to congratulate them on winning the 2022 year and taking home the championship, especially for Max winning again the champion. So here is a little video for you the team has made.
I cannot believe it. Straight into the mystery box. Teamwork at its best. That was next level.
All right, next here I want to go over what are the key platform optimization we did over this year. As you know, we've been working relentlessly on improving the performance and every aspect of Bybit. As we listen, care, improve, these are the key things. And if you've seen Bybit actually since beginning of the year and now the end of the year, a lot of things has changed. Number one thing is always we work on is latency. We want to make sure that Bybit, people who come to Bybit to trade, can enjoy the most smooth and also uptime. Whenever there's movement, you'll be able to trade. So if you can see from all of our major product lines, whether it's spot, derivatives, or option, we have managed to improve our latencies significantly so that you don't feel any lag, and also during any price movement, you'll be able to trade. Next things we've seen is also massive increase in our TPS, or matching capabilities. This year, the peak performance we did was 135 trading transactions per second. If any clients seen our website or mobile app, it also had become a lot more smoother. In terms of website, we've seen a 48.3 performance optimizations, meaning that it's a lot more faster than before. And for TradingView or any chart services, we offer TradingView plus our own made trading chart. Now, Bybit own made trading chart is the preferential option for most traders, and it's actually faster, a lot faster than TradingView. On our mobile app, things are also getting a lot faster. What P50 means 50% of the clients experience using mobile app in the latency less than 200 milliseconds. And 95%, almost all of you are using it, experience it less than 400 milliseconds, which counts in the traveling time between the 5G network as well as the response time from our servers. The next update I want to give you is the Bybit Fiat. This is something that we launched in 2022, along with spot trading and many other cool services that really amps up the Bybit ecosystem. For our Fiat service, we actually now performance the peak daily trading orders of 41,000, meaning on a daily basis, the maximum we did was 41,000 transactions. And the peak trading volume, as you can see, is $13 million on a daily basis, right? Currently, we support 55 different fiat currencies, whether it's through P2P, credit card, local transfers, bank transfers, and all of that is available, okay? Another thing is our credit card on-ramp. We've managed to engage directly with Checkout and WorldPay. So all you need to do is input your credit card information, and you'll be able to make that transfer and deposit instantly. We currently support more than 32 pairs, more than 20 coins, and also it's supported by PCI certification, meaning that it's very secure and you don't have to worry about the security of your credit card, okay? Another cool or major product line that's been coming up is the Bybit Spot product line. Bybit started being a derivative exchange, but now everyone has seen Bybit being the whole one-stop shop for crypto. And Spot is one of the most important products we've launched since last year. Our Spot market share now has gained almost 4 times growth in 2022. With the daily trading volume about 3.4 billion, and we are the top 10 spot crypto exchange now on CoinGecko and CMC. What we did is something very innovative as well. We've done Launchpad, Launchpool, we've done quite a number of them, and also we've launched a company-wide spot zero fee campaign, which benefited more than 500,000 users onto Bybit. And of course, our futures business unit has always been the flagship product of Bybit. One of the things we launched this year was the USDC perpetual contract, which the market share has reached very top of the industry. Now we have more than total 21 contracts in our USDC pairs. On the derivative side, we also have abundant liquidity in our USDT pairs. If you trade, Bybit has now become the best venues for any traders who wants to trade with the best liquidity and execution times. For our institution traders, we offer API, latest API upgrades v3, meaning that they can actually trade on the API v3 and be able to take advantage of the fastest execution if you connected onto the Bybit Web3. API version 3. Okay. Next thing I think is the option market. I want to share a little bit on the option. Option is one of the latest derivatives product line Bybit has launched. We did something very innovative here. Bybit, I believe, is to be one of the first crypto exchange to offer a linear option. Together with our USDC linear option perpetual, you can each other, and also you can use the same margin system to trade both. This gives all the institutions, especially derivative institutions, a lot of advantage to trade and abundant liquidity to hedge their risks on our perpetual books. Okay. And for our option market, we are actually reaching 10% of the market share, and we are growing as we speak. And on top of that, we are going to include option into our unified margin in a major way to have all the major upgrades so that any professional traders can utilize all of the Bybit product lines in one stop. Okay? Now, next thing, I want to really talk about the Bybit unified margin. This actually is a major upgrade to our trading systems. And here with me, actually, I have someone who here to talk about it with me, is Hao, our head of option team. So he's here to tell you all about what's the cool features of the Bybit unified margin systems.
Yeah, sure. Hi, name's Hal. I think some people already know me from Twitter. So the unified margin account we have is an account system that allows our traders to use Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other assets as collaterals to trade both the USDC derivatives and USDT derivatives. And between the different derivatives, there are P&L offsetting features. So when you're losing from one position, and then if you're making money from the other position, then P&L is netted off. Also, within the unified margin account, you are still able to have the portfolio margin within USDC products, meaning there's risk offsetting between the options and USDC perpetuals.
Okay, so actually, Hao, I want to understand what does it really mean for any traders with this unified margin account, right? What kind of trading strategies they could do previously they couldn't do, and now they could do with this unified margin system?
Yeah. So, for example, if you're a trader that wants to trade Bitcoin or Ethereum contracts, for example, perpetuals, in the before or in other exchanges, there is no P&L offsetting features. The margins are isolated. But within the unified margin account, you are able to have this P&L offsetting, like your unrealized P&L can use to offset each other, and then it gives you more capital efficiency, more trading flexibility in the unified margin account.
Okay, and I know that we're actually, this is something we're going to talk about later on today as well, but we are doing a major upgrades also to the unified margin to become unified trading account, right? What does it mean? Yeah.
Well, this is something we're quite proud of. This is the end game for Bybit's account system. Like within a single account, you will be able to trade spot options as well as perpetuals or futures just within one single account. So if you're a spot trader, then something for you is that, hey, I brought Bitcoin, I want to hedge my risks, then you could just buy a corresponding options and hedge off your risks, all happening within the same account. So if you are an options trader that you want to hedge your risks with our most liquid USDT perpetuals, that's also possible. It all happens within a single account system. This is really flexible and enhances traders' capital efficiency.
Very good, guys. Thank you very much. And guys, for people who are watching online, you can ask anything related to unified margin trading account or any topic we're discussing. Leave the question in Twitter or YouTube. We'll try to get to your questions. I've already started to see a lot of questions coming up, but however, it's not really related towards the unified margin. So anyways, thank you very much, Hao, and let's move on to the next topics. So for our next topic, I want to discuss a little bit about our trading tool section. Bybit has launched a trading tool section. What does it mean? We want to make trading easier for everyone. We understand that trading is difficult for retail users, so we want to give you all the tools that can equip you with the power to trade and gain some profit, even in this kind of current bear market. So here sitting with me is Bill, someone who all of you are very familiar with, does the monthly EMA with me. Bill is our head of product. Bill is here to explain. Hi, why don't you say hi, Bill?
Yeah, hey everyone, I'm Bill. So today actually very excited to share with you some of the latest updates about our trading tools sector. Copy trading is definitely one of our flagship products. Let's start with a video to help you find out more. Cool. So we have definitely helped a lot of users. And to be specific, so copy trading 3.0, we have more than 12,000 daily active followers. We have around 680 active master traders who are actively providing trading signals on the platform. And also, we have more than 100 million average daily volume from copy trading. And also, we run this weekly price pool for both master traders and followers. And Ben, we are really working hard on like adding more functionalities to this copy trading tool for our users. So there will be a lot of new features coming out as well, such as multi-copy, which allows you to copy multiple master traders at the same time. We're also going to launch this smart copy mode, which allow especially the new users to quickly get started. We also have a revamped follower center. We're going to optimize for a lot of this data display and improve the overall experience of the followers.
Yeah, I think one of the most frequent asks. I know copy trading is becoming extremely popular among our clients, and one of the most asked question is how do they pick a follower, right? I know that we are doing some master followers competitions, and they are kind of sharing their strategies on how to follow which master. Maybe if you have time to do a demo for everyone, just to show them what kind of ranking system we currently have. And when it comes to choose a master trader, what are some of the considerations they could have considered to choose a good master trader?
Yeah, this is a really good question. Actually, let me do a demo for you here. So here on my screen, you could see there's a new tab that is only available at Bybit, the tools sector. So under it, you will go to the copy trading. So as you could see here, we actually create a top master traders page. So if you are really new, you don't know how to get started, the system actually help you select a few star traders on different metrics. For example, based on ROI and based on the highest profit for followers, and also like look at the drawdown, and they are all very intuitive charts. So that you could start to look around and find the right master traders that will meet your need. And also, we have like a full ranking dashboard that is under all master traders page. So here you could do much more filterings once you know like how this product works. For example, you could filter based on 7-day master traders P&L, like number of followers and some drawdown metrics, the win rate metrics. So this is kind of like the ultimate place for you to do the deep dive into finding the right master traders. So basically,
followers can do a lot of filtering, a lot of selections, and to select their own master traders, right?
Yeah, for sure.
And for sure, I think what Bill mentioned, we're going to start offering the multi-copying mode, meaning that you can actually allow different amounts of assets or capital to follow different followers and create your own combination of strategies to follow, okay?
Yeah.
I think we got some questions online from our communities. From YouTube, I think one of the questions from YouTube named Pop Doge is how do followers control risks and gain more profit? I think this was a topic that we are focusing on. How do they do risk controls?
Yeah. So this is a good question because risk management system has always been a key consideration when we design this product. So here, at copy trading at Bybit, we add a few steps to help you protect your account. For example, let me show you here. When you click on copy, if you think this is the right master trader for you, you could decide the amount of money that you want to copy for a certain order provided by the signal by the master trader. And we also have this copy stop loss feature. Essentially, you could set up a threshold that basically, if your account's loss succeeded this one, this will help you automatically cancel all the orders to help you protect your account. And also, we've been offering all these flexible, leverage settings. You could, use maybe a fixed leverage or your own custom leverage, to reduce the risk as well.
So we basically offer them quite a bit of individual-based, customizable risk management tools, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, very good, very good. And I think some questions online is, do you have competitions for copy traders? Yes, we actually run one this quarter, and we're planning to run a very big one to compete between different copying strategies. And we're going to actually have a ranking of all the top followers who pick the right strategy. And maybe eventually we could do a follow the top followers
Yeah, exactly.
strategy.
It's like managing a fund of fund type of thing.
Yeah. So I think that's coming up as well. All right, I think let's move forward. We have another topic to hit. I think it's our trading bot, which is also under the trading tool section, also managed by Bill. Maybe Bill can explain a bit of the trading tools.
Yeah, for sure. You know, like funny thing, like if you don't trust anyone, then you could use the bot actually. One of the key characteristics of this market is 24/7. It's never stop. So to be able to have some automated stuff, that will really help you a lot. You could even make money while you are asleep. So for our trading bot sector, we have the spot and the futures grid bot. Many users are loving it. I'd like to quickly share some stats with the audience. So since inception, we have generated more than $5 million in profits for our users.
Wow, that's amazing.
Through the bot. Yeah, and this number continues to grow. And also, interesting angle to look at is, once you are using the bot, your winning rate increased by an average of 30%. So, and we also, on top of that, 24/7 market, but not everyone know how to set up their own bot. We provide these AI-powered parameters for everyone to access. There's a zero fee to use AI parameters, which is based on rigorous historical data. And also the coolest part, you run your bot, you go on the page, you could start in fewer than 10 seconds, and you could invest as little as $10 to start.
Very good.
And also, we're working day and night on improving it. So exciting features coming out soon. One of the most important one is that we're gonna add the bot parameters copy from the futures grid bot leaderboard, so that you could just click on copy and you will get all the parameters that actually help other people make money. So that's really cool.
Yeah, I actually, we got some good questions from our communities. I think from Twitter, named Twitter handle @Maria. The market is not very good. Which bot do you recommend for the current market?
Yeah, actually, let me demo you here on how to utilize or find the most of the bot. We're all going through a really tough bear market. So what I would recommend is this DCA bot, the dollar cost average bot. Essentially, in bear market, or if you are new users, you don't want to trade that much, this bot actually help you just automatically buy your favorite coins or even the coin portfolios continuously. You could, for example, you could just buy Bitcoin or Ethereum on a regular basis, like every single day, every week, or even every 10 minutes if you want to do some high-frequency stuff. So this DCA bot is really helpful in this market.
Taking advantage of the bear market, lower
Exactly.
your dollar cost average, basically.
Yeah, if you have the belief in the industry, in
Very
this
good.
asset class.
Very good. I think some other question people are asking is, number one is, how many grids can we set on the trading bot?
Well, that's really, like a very technical question.
Yeah.
We spend a lot of work on doing it. So for our spot, we currently support 200 grids. And we did a lot of backend optimization stuff to enable that. Because very importantly, you want to prevent from this so-called negative arbitrage thing. So, there's a limitation on that, but we have been optimizing the entire thing on the backend to make it happen.
Yeah.
For the futures grid bot, it's the same.
Yeah, and also from, I think, YouTube, John Carter, what is the minimum required margin for trading bot?
Well, $10, as little as $10, you could get started.
Yeah. Okay, let's pick one last is, there are many questions. Okay, what are the risks of a bot?
This is also a good question. I think depend on the bot that you are using. For example, for the spot grid bot, so when you get into a spot grid bot, you will first need to buy the inventory being prepared for doing the arbitrage, right? But if the inventory itself goes down, the price goes down, then you will incur a temporary loss.
I think this is a question on risk management. So can they take set stop loss and on the bot as well?
Yeah, for sure. So let me show you here. So on the spot grid bot, so basically you could see a certain strategy. We provide all these ratios to help you make a decision, like the drawdown ratio, the profitability ratio, the volatility ratio. So you will know, for example, if you run this BitDAO token, grid bot strategy, your drawdown is around like 9%, and that's the risk you need to be remembered.
Very good. So we have the risk manager tool, guys, for you. And if you don't know our trading bot or tool section, go to the homepage. On the very top, there is a tool section where our copy trading, bot, everything, trading tools. We're actually going to offer a few more trading tools coming up for you to make your trading life easier. Anyways, thank you very much, Bill, for sharing. And guys, again, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. So again, guys, we are doing this live. Please leave your comment and questions in the chat box. And you can tweet it on our live channel or in YouTube. We'll try to get to the questions one by one, okay? So for my next topic is the Bybit Web3 page and also the NFT. As you can see on our homepage, we actually offer now a Web3 page. Bybit is our goal to become the crypto ark or gateway to Web3. We believe that NFT within Web3 is one of the most important components, and Bybit launched the NFT market last year as well. If you can see, give you a nutshell update, we have now 1 million registered users in our NFT marketplace. More than 100K users for the grab pick, which is one of the first low, easy, barrier, free to mint type of product where you can pick up some really cheap, innovative NFTs. And also, if you look at Bybit NFT marketplace, is now top 5 in the world in terms of monthly active users. Recently, we've launched a massive campaign with our partner, Red Bull Racing. We've actually put a NFT, Zuki, onto the racing car on the final race of Abu Dhabi. And that kind of won a lot of people's sign-ups, and also they loved it. And so, yeah, and my next topic is going to be the Bybit wallet. But before that, I want to show you a video. Yeah.
Bybit is a crypto exchange that lets you buy and sell crypto fast and fuss-free. And luckily for you, signing up to a Bybit account is fast. Seriously fast. Let's see how fast it really is.
Max, you think you can cross the line before I sign up? Have you seen what I'm driving? Let's go. It's time to go next level.
Okay, guys, I hope you liked the video. So Bybit Wallet, what does it mean? We've launched our Bybit Web3 wallet. When we designed this, we were thinking, how do we make exploration into Web3, whether it's DeFi or NFT, or to make the whole MetaMask experience a lot simpler. I think most people, when we consider mass adoption, we consider people around us, the uncle, the aunties, and people who haven't got into crypto. And Bybit Web3 wallet is exactly designed for that. All it takes is a Bybit sign up, and you have that wallet, same experience as MetaMask. However, the seed is actually MPC and is controlled, centralized controlled on the Bybit central server, along with our hot and wallet custodian services. With that being designed, you can actually navigate through DeFi or NFTs with a lot ease, because we'll give you the capabilities and tools, such as auto take profit, stop loss, such as able to instant switch between token and different chains instantly. So all of that difficult and not so easy to use functions, we will offer our clients with our Web3. So it's easy to use, easy to manage, easy to trust, all that, okay? So what's the timeline with the Bybit wallet? Currently it's being launched, and we're still working on providing more robust functions. In December, we'll have the quick swap functions, meaning that if you're spending a TRC 20 token and you want to use it for a Solana token, and you can able to do that directly through the Bybit centralized swap service. And also in Q1, we'll able to incorporate into NFT and also a lot more chain connections, as well as the Chrome browser connections, okay? So I think online we're actually getting a few questions from our users, okay? Okay, I think one of the key let me see some of the, okay, from Twitter, YouTube, OM Pong, can you guys discuss the Web3 wallets that is in the Bybit app? I think this question meaning that is whether it's built into the Bybit app. I think the Web3 wallet is coming into the Bybit app very soon. And actually there is a whole Web3 section in the Bybit mobile app. We were going to incorporate that as well in there very fast. Another question from YouTube, Surrender K, asking, is Bybit wallet still centralized? Do you maintain the private keys? Now the answer to that is actually yes. The Bybit Web3 wallet is a centralized wallet, but it gives the same user experience of exploring Web3 decentralized app, same as MetaMask. We actually don't have the seed, but it's an MPC solution. So in a way that it is stored along with the Bybit hot and cold wallet custody service. The main goal for that wallet is to offer clients the ease of use, and we will handle a lot of the difficulties and challenges among with exploring Web3 with the Bybit Web3 wallet. Okay. All right. I think we're gonna move on to the next topic, which is introducing and talk about a little bit about Bybit integration to Apex Pro. Apex Pro is actually a DEX. Bybit is the first centralized exchange incorporated into a DEX. And sitting here next to me is actually Mariam. Why don't you, Mariam, do a self-introduction, who you are, and tell us a little bit about Apex. Yeah.
Sure. Hi, Ben. Thanks for having me. My name is Mariam. I'm head of marketing at Apex. Well, Apex Pro is a non-KYC, non-custodial derivatives DEX, which operates on an order book model, and we deliver cross-margin perpetual contracts. We're powered by Starkware's Layer 2 scalability engine, StarkEX, and create enhanced trading experience for our users through high performance, low fees, maximum security, and privacy. Why won't we take a look at the video?
Oh, you have a video. Nice.
Yep. Actually, Apex Pro is one of the fastest DEXs out there. We can process 10 trades per second, 1,000 order placement and cancellation. We have multi-chain support, so we actually support cross-chain deposits and withdrawals from Ethereum, Arbitrum, Polygon, and BSC. We have a very low fee structure, so you only pay for the network fees when you're making a deposit or when you're withdrawing funds from the platform. We offer up to 20x leverage with instant settlement, and our security and privacy is guaranteed with integration of Validium and ZK proof infrastructure. Last but definitely not the least, something that community is very excited about is our ongoing trade to earn program, which makes you earn rewards for every single trade you place on the platform. We have about $190,000 worth of tokens allocated every week, which actually sums up to $10 million worth of reward tokens throughout the whole program. So I guess to sum it up, we really try to create the platform which gives users that usability, efficiency, and performance that one can find on a centralized exchange like Bybit, and then integrate that and fortify that model with self-custody, permissionless, and trustlessness of decentralized platforms.
Yeah, very good, very good. Actually, I'm starting to see some questions coming up on YouTube. David Jonathan is asking, can we move assets from Bybit app to Bybit Pro? Apex Pro without fees. Actually, this is one of the super cool feature of this integration. Is typically when users are trading on a DEX, especially like Apex, which utilize a layer 2 solution, you need to move your asset from layer 1 to layer 2, which takes on average 20 minutes, 15 minutes, and plus some fees. However, with our Bybit integration, if you use Bybit Web3 wallet, the transfer is instant, it's free, because we actually engage in a special bridge system. Maybe, Mariam, you can give people a quick demo of how to, from Bybit to trade on Apex and how easy it is. We can show that.
It's extremely easy. Let me show you on the website. So you get on bybit.com, obviously, and under Web3 tab, you access DEX. And this takes you directly to Apex Pro trading platform. Next step is you connect your wallet. So I'll just click and it automatically connects. So it's extremely easy. Next thing would be for me to make a deposit. So I have two different options here. It's either the spot account or Bybit Web3 wallet. If I make a deposit from my spot account, just like you mentioned, Ben, there are no fees associated whatsoever. So I'll just insert the amount that I want to deposit and I'll proceed. So it's extremely easy. Once the account is funded, you move forward to actually opening your first trade. Yeah. And I can also show you our trade to earn page. This is the place where you see the rewards that you've allocated with your trades. And you can also see what you can do with your BANA tokens. You can either swap it to the stable coin if that's what you're looking for, so you can instantly swap it. Or you can simply provide liquidity in our BANA USDC pool, which will give you access to more BANA tokens down the road in the upcoming epochs. And last but not least, your option is also to hold on to BANA, and you can redeem Apex for BANA at the very end of the trade to earn event. So you have many different options at your fingertips. So whatever you think is more appropriate for you, you can make your own decision.
Very cool. And a lot of people are asking about features on Apex and how is it making it unique. Of course, Apex is a partner of Bybit, and we try to give a lot of feedbacks as far as from a trader's perspective. Right. So I believe Apex actually have auto take profit, stop loss features that is super cool. And also, I think some people are even asking, can we include Gridbot for using Apex as a function? I think for sure we'll tell Bill about that. I think it's a super cool question.
Definitely something that I've been also getting a lot, the trading bots. And why not? It's definitely part of our roadmap.
Yeah, sounds awesome. All right, thank you very much, Mariam, for the demonstration of Apex. Guys, if you haven't checked out Apex on Bybit, you could directly trade through our Web3 wallet. And also, you'll be able to take advantage of a DEX, which is a completely permissionless, decentralized trading value directly on Bybit. And this is something, it's one of the first initiatives the Bybit Web3 wallet supports. And furthermore, we're going to engage a lot more Web3 projects and open up the whole gateway for people to explore into Web3. Okay, for our next topic is, of course, the proof of reserves. After the fallout of FTX, and of course, I think centralized exchanges are now expected to provide more transparencies, especially to demonstrate the custody of clients' funds that are separate to the exchange. So we actually published the proof of reserves, I think, over a month ago. Alongside with, initially we've published our clients' wallet information and data on Nansen dashboard, so you can actually view Bybit clients' overall reserves on Nansen, as well as on the Bybit page where we offer you our Merkle tree solutions. You can actually check your UID levels, and we plan to do this once on a frequent intervals, so to give you the full picture of their reserves. I want to highlight that Bybit is committed to openness, transparency with all of our users, delivering the highest level of trust in integrity, compliance, and securities. We're also actively talking to third-party auditors to be able to do a complete audit of the client's reserves, as well as the company reserve and the complete. So stay tuned for that. More updates will be coming up. Okay. All right. So I think for our next part of the topic, actually, we have a second giveaway now to give out. Guys, if you missed the first part of the giveaways, now is a good time to catch the second part of the giveaways, where we are giving out, I think, some VIP upgrades for all of you. If you follow the instruction on the screens how to join, you'll be able to participate on the Bybit giveaways for this part. Okay? All right, sounds good. So for our next topic, I want to describe, what's coming up. More exciting, what's coming up in 2023. The first topic I want to talk about is what we just discussed here with how unified trading account. This is a super significant upgrade to all of Bybit accounts. As any trader knows, you currently have a spot account, a perpetual account, and an option account. However, with the unified margin system, which currently you can upgrade to, you will be able to upgrade your USDC perpetual contract with the option as well as USDT into one account. However, with this latest update that's happening in Q1 next year, in a few months, you will be able to use one account called the Unified Trading Account to trade spot, perpetual, as well as options, all in one place. Now, what does it mean? That means you can actually utilize the same margin using the floating P&L to offset each other. And with that, if you are trading between spot and perpetual, you can do spread tradings, as well as you can do borrow and lending on the spot and directly using that to trade even in our option books. With that account, we will be fully gradually enable portfolio margin, meaning that all of the open positions, long and short, between different product lines, spot, options, perpetuals, will be able to utilize the same margin systems. So this will be the maximum ultimate version of the capital efficiency across your asset classes, whatever you're trading on. Okay, so this is a super exciting function that's coming up, and actually now it's in the testnet. We're doing the very initial testing. We just put it on testnet, I think 2 days ago, and we're doing internal fine tunings, and gradually we're going to release it to our clients. Next cool update product has been long asked is the Bybit card. Now we've signed a deal with MasterCard. We've set out the initial release date. So it's ready to go. As you can see on the screen, it's your Bybit MasterCard. You'll be able to use that card to go to supermarkets, buy a coffee, spend in restaurants. So with this MasterCard, wherever supposed MasterCard payments, you'll be able to use. What's really cool is that you'll be able to use that in your funding account, meaning that any crypto, you can leave it in your funding account. We'll utilize your stable coins first. However, when your stable coins is running out, we will be able to use your Ethereum or Bitcoin on the go with the best daily exchange rate we can offer to you, and also the lowest fees on the daily spends. Also, in the future, we are planning to incorporate the borrow and lending business or product into this. So if you have Bitcoin, you can actually collateralize your Bitcoin and take out stable coins to use it for your daily spendings. So whitelist registration is going to happen very soon in January next year. We are going to first launch to some of our VIP users and also in the EU, UK region in February. That's the first region we'll be able to apply these cards. But for our VIPs and big partners, we'll also give you early access and whitelisting. So all of that cool features will come up with the Bybit MasterCard. Stay tuned to that. And by the way, did I mention it's going to come out with some super cool rewards programs, loyalty program, point system where you can exchange for merchandise, exchange for Bit token, exchange for, I don't know, Formula One tickets to view the Formula One events. Okay, so for our next update is, I want to mention, is the project we support dearly. Still on a daily basis, the BitDAO is now the biggest DAO in the world. BitDAO is launching its layer 2 Mantle network. Everyone is super excited with that. The latest the update we've got is they are going to launch their testnet in January after the holiday seasons. Bybit will be be the first one and fully integrate with the Mantle network and fully support that. Some of the key features with Mantle network is they're going to use Bit token as a gas fee, and it's going to be fully backed by the BitDAO community as well as Bybit communities. Okay, so extremely looking forward for that as well. Okay, and lastly, not least, of course, with the new year coming, we want to robust our ecosystem and also our partnerships. We are going to, of course, continue to collaborate with the altcoin Red Bull Racing team, come up with more exciting Web3 applications, fan tokens, NFTs, and also more applications on the fan bases there. We are working extremely close with Circle, one of our key partners, USDC adoptions. Bybit is now top liquidity provider and the top venue for USDC financial products, as your USDC perpetual contract and our USDC option become very popular. So we are going to further working with Circle to robust that partnership and help USDC with more mass adoption. Next one is Paradigm, is one of the most popular trading venue for option as well as spread trading. So we are going to, with the upgrade to the unified trading account, we're going to integrate with a lot more trading strategies with Paradigm. Okay, and lastly, not least, is the integration of custody services. We understand with the ongoing sentiment, a lot of clients require independent custody of fund. So we're working with Fireblocks and Copper and custody services to provide independent custody services, so clients will be able to use that service and trade on Bybit directly. So you don't actually have to deposit your fund onto Bybit, where we recognize these custody partners. You can leave your funds there to trade. Okay. Next topic is the moving forward. What is the plan for Web3, right? So for Web3, I think with the next bull run, something is going to come out, just like how the last bull run started, is going to come out of inner Web3, inner crypto. We want to make sure that our Web3 wallet and our Web3 supports all of the exciting projects that's coming up and make sure that we can catch the next bull run with our Web3 wallet. So all of these cool functions we're going to enable during this bear market and keep on building. Some of the cool things we're working on is IDO. Initial DEX offering is we're going to try to launch it onto the Bybit Web3 page where clients can directly participating in IDO on Bybit Web3 and then get engaged with our communities. Also support DEX NFT trading, enable users to explore more things with one click. Okay, so yeah, I think that kind of wraps up to most of my content. I think let's go into some of the questions our community is asking. And I think one of the Twitter asking handle is Chaos Lover is asking, why use Bybit Web3? What is the difference between this from other competitors, right? So I think Bybit Web3 is very unique how it's positioned. We actually position it to be a mass adoption tool. Now, of course, people have been asking, well, I don't have the seed, I don't have the full control of the wallet. Now, for that purpose, I think you can simply use MetaMask, and there are a lot of solutions out there for the crypto native people. But what is Bybit's job? We want to be the Web3 gateway. We want to be the crypto ark. We believe there needs to be a tool that's easy to navigate and use, simply as opening an account on Bybit. This is designing of Bybit Web3 wallet. So all it takes is an email and a phone or a phone number to register. No KYC required, same as MetaMask. And then you can engage with DEX or DeFi projects directly with our Web3. Now, let me give you an example. If you want to engage a Curve or DeFi mining through MetaMask, there are so many steps you have to do in order to achieve that. You need to stake the token and then get a staking liquidity token to get a yield and all that. It's very difficult for any new users on crypto to enjoy that. And actually, we've observed since last bull run, the DeFi summer when that happens, it only benefited the very core crypto people. People who are new cannot enjoy that because simply the onboarding process was so long and so difficult. So Bybit Web3 wallet is solely born for that reason, so that when the next bull run happens, and we believe could be something again happening from inner crypto, our Web3 wallet is so simple, so easy to use. It takes one click for you to participate in DeFi mining or all that. And in order to do that, we need to have control, and the wallet needs to be centralized for you to offer you that tools. And also some other tools we will offer is take profit and stop loss, automated rug pull prevention. When the LTV of a DeFi pool is dropping significantly, you don't have to be awake. Your wallet, our Bybit wallet, will do the job for you once these things are triggered and auto pull the fund for you. So these are the things we have designed in mind, okay? YouTube question, YouTube name View of Life is asking me, can you talk a little bit more about IDO on Web3? Sure, so we've actually had a lot of these projects wanting to list a cooperation with Bybit community, but not in the launchpad style. Typically the launchpad happens after the IDO or sometimes. However, IDO, I think, is a more decentralized way of launching things, which is going to happen, currently now happens on all the DEXs, such as Dojo and all that. But on the Bybit Web3 page, we will try to offer the IDO section where projects can initially self-start and self-do a IDO on the Bybit Web3. And we will give them the tools and also help them to promote a bit in our Web3 communities. So this is something that's coming up, I think, in January or February next year. Okay? All right, guys. I think that kind of wraps up to today's keynote. I would like to thank everyone for watching and actively participating in our next level keynote. At Bybit, we are committed to being the crypto ark of the world, delivering the next level products, service reliability, and also opportunities. Okay, so guys, if you like this keynote, make sure you leave your comment on Twitter and also on YouTube. We will also, I know there are a lot of questions didn't got to answered. We will try to answer that in my next monthly EMA with Bill, okay? So shout out to the socials, follow and like and share the videos, show your support to Bybit. Follow us on Twitter, subscribe to our channel on YouTube. And lastly, not least, thank you for joining us and onboarding this whole journey. And we are looking forward to an amazing 2023 with you. Guys, Happy New Year and Merry Christmas.